Welcome. In this video, we're going to be talking about Shamir sharing and how it can improve your crypto security and backup. We're going to be talking about what Shamir sharing is, how we can use it to improve our security, how it works, its advantages, and also we're going to go through a demo application I made where you can go play around with the different aspects of Shamir sharing, make your backups, and you can better understand if you just try it out and see. So the code for that demo application is right here in the screen. You can scan the QR code or you can go to the link shown below. So what is Shamir secret sharing? It is basically a cryptographic method by which you can split any sensitive data into multiple parts. So what do I mean by sensitive data? It can either be your passwords, your seed phrases, or your recovery codes you get from Google and other services to recover your accounts in case you forget any password. So these are all sensitive data. You have to back them up somewhere. You have to write it down somewhere and keep it. But if you write it down just in one place, if you lose that one backup, you completely lost your secret or data. So you have to back it up in multiple places. But for that, it increases the risk of someone coming across that multiple backups. So even if one of those backups is seen by someone you don't want, they can have access to your data. So that's a problem which Shamir secret sharing solves. And the other is you can recover, once you have split those parts, you can recover it by a certain number of those parts. Let's say you split your secret into like 5 parts. You can specify that you need any 2 of those 5 parts to recover that sensitive data. So that's what it does. It splits your sensitive data into multiple parts, and you can set it to use any certain number of those parts to get that sensitive data back. So if you don't understand it so far, keep watching. Once we get to the demo application, you'll understand it much better. So how does it work? Let's say you have secrets like passwords, master passwords, seed phrases, recovery codes, so on. You can use Shamir secret sharing to split that secret into multiple shares. You can have n number of shares. But before you make them into shares, you have to specify how many of these shares do you want to be able to recover, do you need before you're able to recover the secret. Let's say you need 2 out of these n number of shares to recover. So you have to specify that before creating the shares. That number of shares you need to recover it is called threshold. The threshold is the number of shares you need to recover the secret. So where can you use it? Imagine you're backing up your seed phrases for your crypto wallet or your master password for your password manager. You have to keep it in multiple places, so in case something happens to one backup, there are still other backups you can rely on. But if you're using multiple backups as plain text, anyone who comes across that multiple backups can get access to your secret. It has a single point of failure. But if you use Shamir secret sharing, you can have your shares in multiple places and there is no single point of failure. They need the threshold amount of shares to be able to get your seed phrases or like secrets you want to encrypt. So where is it used mostly in crypto? Right now, just Trezor hardware wallets use Shamir secret sharing to make multiple share backups. They call it like SLIP39. It provides redundancy and security. So after this, we're going to be going into the demo application, and you'll understand it much better of what I'm talking about. So the link to the demo application is this. It's slip39playground.versal.app. Go to it and you can check it out. You can scan the QR code right now. And before we go there, a disclaimer: please don't put any actual sensitive information like seed phrase or password in the website. It's online, and anything online, it's not secure. It's just for educational purposes. So make sure you don't put any sensitive info online, especially your seed phrases. So let's go to the application right now. So this is the application. The top part is where you create the backups, SLIP39 backups. this input is where you input the secrets. uh, One thing you have to make sure is the secret should be at least 16 characters long, and the character length of the secret should be an even number. So you have to keep that in mind. That's how it works. So on the right side, you can see the number of shares you want to have. In this website, I've kept it up to 10. You can have more also, but for the sake of demo, just up to 10. And the threshold, you can keep it any number of shares. So let's say I want to have 7 shares. And out of these 7, any 2 of these 7 shares can be used to recover the secret. So I've set the shares and threshold. I'm inputting the secret now. Let's say the secret is I am Lord Voldemort. This is my secret I want to backup, and I need 7 shares, and any 2 of those 7 shares should be able to give me the secret back. Let's click on create backup. So as you can see, I have 7 shares. I can back them up however I want in different places, give one to my mom, give one to my friends, and so on. Like, it's up to me. The main point is I need 2 out of 7. So I need any 2 out of the 7 to be able to recover it. So let's scroll down more. You have an input like 2 inputs. Since it's a 2 out of 7, I can put any 2. Let's take share 4, input here, and like you can give it in any order. It doesn't have to be in a certain order or something. You can put them in any order you like. It has to be 2 different shares. Now let me click on retrieve secret. As you can see, this recovered secret is shown here. I am not world. So yeah, this is how you use Shamir secret sharing. So you don't have to just use for random words like this. You can also have password. This is my super secret backup. So this is my super secret backup. I want to ensure this string is safe. Let's say I want 5 shares. I want any 3 of those 5 shares to be able to recover this. I'm creating. Click on create backup. Now I have 5 shares, and I need any 3 of them to be able to recover it. So let me just go share number 1, share number 5, and as I said, it doesn't have to be in any particular order. You can input the shares in any order you like, and it should work. If I scroll down, yep, now I have, this is my super secret backup. So yep, thank you for watching the video, and if you have any more doubts, feel free to ping me over here or on Twitter. My Twitter handle is Raspoot4. Feel free to go look at the playground as well. The more you use it, the more you'll understand Shamir secret sharing. Thank you for watching the video.